This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to secure Google Chrome on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. While sorting out how to add Chrome to security and privacy Macs, I run into another headache, those endless ads that pop up while browsing. If you use Chrome, you know exactly what I mean. They slow things down, clutter page, and make the whole experience frustrating. To avoid this, I will show you how to secure and privacy setting helps you to manage the information that software like Chrome can access on your system. The settings allow you to control permission for features like camera, microphone, and recording. So first, if you're Mac using Google Chrome as the default browser, you can open your Google Chrome, of course. Now you can go to the settings by clicking on the three dots over here. You can scroll down and you can choose on settings. From here, you can go to privacy and security. You can just scroll down and choose on security. From here, you have to make sure that your safe browsing is active. You can choose on enhanced protection if your Chrome is not active for the safe browsing. You can enable this feature by choose on enhanced protection, or maybe you can choose standard protection by I prefer to enhanced protection. So real-time AI power protection against the dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that pass on your browsing data and getting sent to Google. So you can read this when on warns you about dangerous sites, even one Google didn't know about before, by analyzing more data from sites than standard protection. You can choose to skip Chrome warnings. Here you can also, if you want to, you can secure your connection by enable this feature. You can tap on the toggle in here. So Google will warn you for insecure public sites, but it's okay if you don't want to activate this secure connection. And also on the advanced, you have to make sure that your these two settings is active. Warn you if password were compromised in a data branch, and also use secure DNS. So you need to remember this to secure your browser on Chrome, to enable the enhanced protection on your safe browsing, and also this on the advanced setting you can enable. So now you have secure connection on your browsing on Google Chrome on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to secure your Google Chrome on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!